Hello guys, let's move on the video. Guys, first of all we hear case section and all battle cases are here. First of all, hot ice 5, let's go. Really cheap bro, just $1, really good. Okay, royal spin, royal time, glazed paint, okay, 5 and again. Royal time, let's go. Okay, glazed paint again. Yes, same drop, bro. Same drop. No way, 2 royal? We got 2 royal, guys. Really good, man. And 2 glazed paint. Bro, are you serious right now? Okay, again. 2.46, bro. Not enough. Okay, 3.95. Royal time, let's go. Okay, glazed paint, that's fine. Another case, War God 5, let's go. Royal, I want royal, man. Come on. Okay, again. Okay, again. And again. Royal, where is the royal, man? Royal. Again, but this is your last chance. Okay, that's fine. Total $3, not enough, man, not enough. And duel 5, let's go. $23, man. Are you $23? Come on. Okay, 32. Okay, royal, finally. Smoking kills, bro. 24. No, not enough. Total 24, man. Okay, total 7. And 34. That's good. Money back. Okay, $9. That's fine. And guard 5. Let's go. 42. Are you $42, man? Come on. Okay, 17. Are you serious? Okay, 17 again. Okay, 31. Okay, 15. And 52. That's good. Okay, 63. Really good. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Okay, 47. That's fine. And bloody 5. Let's go. $95, man. Are you $95? Come on. Okay, 96. Money back. Royal. Okay, 52. 57, sorry. Okay, 93, money back. Okay, 72. Terrible, bro. Krakow, we got just one Krakow. Okay, that's fine. Total $57. And bike. 3, let's go. 3. Royal, bro, really close. 106, okay. Again. No way, triple glow, really close, man. Come on, please. $3, no way. Are you 150? Nice, royal. We got royal, guys. Please give me expensive. Finally, slingshot, guys. We got slingshot 563, really good. Finally, man, that's it. Loving 3, let's go. $210. Royal, no way, please knife. Bro, okay, really terrible. And okay, got night, decimator, midnight, lemonade, that's fine. And snake, 3, let's go. No, 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 300, just 300, not enough, man. Not enough. Okay, Gamma Doppler Shadow Daggers. Okay, that's fine. And this is last case, guys. Lord, let's go. $200. No way. No way. Royal? Bro, please. Bro, please. Bro, please. Bro, please. Bro, please. Medusa. Medusa, really close, really close. Okay, guys, we got Butterfly Knife, lore, $1,432, really good. And again, but this is your last chance. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a nice day.